In my government career, AWS was starting to come into that environment. I reached out to a friend that I knew that had recently gone from the government space into AWS, like, hey, how can I get in on this?
So AWS Intelligence was a program that I started about 6 years ago. I mean, it was kind of a training program, but it was also to help kind of take folks that were not familiar with the government space and bring them into something that we were building for our government customers.
Before I came to AWS, I was a college student. I always wanted to work for Amazon, right? Like, I'm a tech person. Of course you want to work for Amazon, but I never in a million years believed that I could. AWS Intelligence Initiative offered me an opportunity to grow in my career.
I joined straight out of university. It was my first full-time job. Came directly into AWS Intelligence, was with the team for about 8 months, and then joined EC2.
So with AWS Intelligence, what they're doing is they're trying to link like-minded experiences and backgrounds with the customer. Day one here, they hand you your laptop, they give you a lot of background, they give you nothing but airspace and altitude.
The first couple of months is training and onboarding and getting my feet wet, and then you start rotation.
I was at an impasse and I didn't know what to do next. And then my manager introduced the AWS Intelligence team for me. They actually take technicians like myself from the data centers or outside of Amazon and train them to make them service ready for service teams inside AWS.
It started with just 20 people. And now we have hundreds of people in the program. We can allow the government to move so fast, faster than they've ever moved before.
4 years ago, I never imagined that I'll find myself as an S3 engineer in AWS. And this is all thanks to AWS Intelligence.
The role you came in with isn't necessarily the role you're going to go out with. Really, the world is your oyster here. And really, your creativity is as far as you can take it.
I get to work on the coolest technology, I get to work with the coolest people, and I get to work for the coolest company. So yes, I love it.